Do you play the game Virtual Families 3? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of money, no jailbreaks. So as you can see, I got like 68,000. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. This works on iOS and Android, guys. It's super insane. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. I'm not trying to be mean, but like, why would you want to be like just playing the game with no money? Like, this method is totally legit. So let's get right into the video, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it, guys. So as you can see, I got tons of money, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's get right into the video. So first step, guys, is to go onto this site called tweakgpt.com. So let me just type it in right here. So it's tweakgpt.com. Alright, so this is a really cool website. I think it's on here. So anyway, once you get onto the site, go to where it says enter a prompt, because this is like an AI website, so you have to give it a prompt, and we're just going to type in virtual, and as you can see, it says link for Virtual Families 3 mod. Here's how. Go zoo mods or hex mods. So now we're on hex mods, and we're going to type in Virtual Families 3, and sure enough, there it is. So press on it and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to try it out, guys, because it's super cool, and this is a fully working video for you guys. So if you're poor, guys, be sure to try this out, because it's totally updated and everything. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yes, it's super cool. And if you go to the App Store, guys, you can see it's quite expensive. So let me just show you guys right here. As you can see, if we go in the App Store and type in Virtual Families 3, you can see that it's really expensive. So here's the game. Then we go in-app purchases, and nah, bro. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try my method out, because I'm not the type of person to come up with a method that doesn't work. I try and test all methods before making videos on them, and this one is legit, guys. So I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super insane, guys. Totally works. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, because it's super cool. Fully updated and everything, so I'm gonna see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, no jailbreak needed or anything like that. So peace out, my guys. This is so insane. Oh my gosh.